Hello, welcome to Agricultural Pepper Farm. And so here you can know how Vietnamese farmers grow the pepper.
Yeah, this is our pepper farm. You can see that the trees can about 5 meters, and we always choose the best quality of the seeds. So for the green pepper, the seeds are so even and has a taste of spicy.
So this is not the pepper crop right now. So you can see this is only green pepper. And the pepper crop is about 1 month to 2 months later. So now you can see the green pepper only in our farm. But you can see how we grow it and how we make sure about its quality.